Swaddy Kap and hello. Welcome back to my channel, Driving in Thailand. My name's Jeff, and in today's video I wanted to give you some information regarding crosswalks, pedestrian crosswalks, or what other people might call zebra walks. If you are planning on traveling to Thailand, be very careful when you get into the inner cities, or actually anywhere where they have these crosswalks, some call zebra crossings. There has been a lot of press this year about zebra crossings, and unfortunately it's been negative press. In January this year, a doctor in Bangkok was crossing one of these zebra crossings and was struck by a big bike and killed. At work, crossing a zebra crossing and killed. What made matters worse was the driver of that scooter was an off-duty police officer driving that big bike and killed that doctor. A month later, there were one or two more instances of people in Thailand using these crosswalks and being struck and killed. After that, there were many provinces that started to do an area beautification of these. And what I mean by that is coming out and painting all of their zebra crossings, the bright red, the white. As you can see here across the street, they've got it multicolored. But it doesn't matter how bright the paint is or how often you paint. It's the mindset in Thailand of the driver that when they approach these crosswalks, they don't stop. And many times they don't even slow down. So as a pedestrian here in Thailand, when you cross these, please look left, right. Be very, very careful. And I will show later on that even at a red light where you have a crosswalk, people don't wait for the light to turn green. They just blow through these crosswalks. As you can see already, you've seen many motorcycles go through at a high rate of speed. There's a car, doesn't stop. That motorcycle doesn't stop. These are very dangerous. In front of that zebra crossing, you can see an octagon. That's the Thailand 8-sided stop sign. This is a stop sign. And as you can see on the corner, there are no stop signs. Rarely do they post a stop sign on a pole for the driving public to see. More often, it's painted on the street. But unfortunately, as vehicles approach me from behind, they're coming down, this is Soi 5 in Pratam Nak Hill. They're coming down this Soi at a high rate of speed, driving faster than what they should actually be driving. They're gonna approach this crosswalk, they won't even look at that stop sign and just blow through this. Now you can see that stop sign is approximately 20 to 30 paces off that intersection. If you stop here, obviously, you cannot see traffic approaching left, traffic approaching right. There's the stop sign, you've got your zebra cross. We're still 15 paces off the intersection. And as we approach this intersection, we're gonna look right and we're gonna look left. Now it's 8:30 in the morning. As we look to the right, you can see the curb is painted red, white. That's a no parking zone, but people pay no attention to that. And a lot of times you have cars there that block the field of view. When we look to our left, again, we have red and white, no parking stripes. But when traffic gets busy around here later in the morning, throughout the entire day later, cars will park all the way to this corner and they will block your field of view. So if you stop at the stop sign that we just looked at, that's behind me right now, that's one reason people do not stop. Another reason people don't stop is because they've not been trained in driver training. A lot of these signs The road designators mean nothing to many people here. This motorcycle just slows and continues through. We call it a California stop. You slow down, but you don't stop. But here in Thailand, you're gonna find these crosswalks, the zebra crossings, extremely dangerous. So be careful and enjoy your stay. This crosswalk is on 2nd Road, about 400 meters south of Central Festival Mall. Now, if you watch this counter, it's going to count down 2 people crossing right to left. We want to see if these vehicles are going to go through. On 10 seconds, there's a bus going through this light, violating that crosswalk. Still red light, counter's down to 0, traffic continues to go. Now it's green, everybody's clear to go. This is a very good example of these zebra crossings that many drivers here in Thailand, they don't see anybody around. Their mindset is, why wait? I'm gonna go. This is a great example of that attitude. So if you're a pedestrian here walking around town, please be very careful. 2nd Road, same zebra crossing. 3 or 4 people crossing right to left. Light is now red, counting down 25 seconds. They hesitate, they've looked. Scooter goes through, cars go through, 15 seconds left. A lot of traffic is blown through this red light, and that's the mindset here in Thailand. Why should I wait? Nobody, I'm gone. Countdown to 0, light is green, traffic continues. If you have found the information useful, press the like icon and share, and subscribe if you would like to receive future videos on my Driving in Thailand series. I'm Jeff from Pratam Nakhil, Thailand. Have a good day.